First question. A ray of light when passes from medium 1 to medium 2 bends away from the normal. Medium 2 is optically rarer medium or optically denser medium. Next question. A ray of light does not undergo refraction at the boundary between two media. Angle of incidence is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 90 degree. Next question. Refractive index of vacuum greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1 or none of these. Next question. Speed of light when it passes from rarer to denser medium increases, decreases, remains constant or none of these. Next question. Relation between the angle of incidence in the air and angle of refraction in the glass is. This question is very important. Formula मालूम होना चाहिए. Next question. When a ray of light enters from an optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, light bends towards the normal or light bends away from the normal or light goes straight. Next question. Speed of light when it passes from denser medium to rarer medium increases, decreases, remains constant. Next question. Refractive index of a medium n equal to sin I upon sin r or n equal to c upon v, where c equal to speed of light in air and v equal to speed of light in medium, or n equal to wavelength of light in air upon wavelength of light in medium, or all of the above. Next question. Unit of refractive index meter, meter per second, nanometer, or it is a unitless quantity. Next question. Numerical value of refractive index of a medium with respect to air is always greater than 1, always less than 1, always equal to 1 or none of these. Next question. When light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, frequency of light increases, decreases, remains unchanged or none of these. Next question. During refraction of light from one medium to another medium, speed changes, wavelength of light changes, intensity of light changes, or all of the above. Next question. Refractive index of a medium depends on nature of the medium, color or wavelength of light used, temperature, or all of the above. Next question. Refractive index of a medium is maximum for which color? Next question. Product of refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 and refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1, or none of these. Next question. In case of refraction through a rectangular glass slab, incident ray is parallel to emergent ray, or angle of incidence equal to angle of emergence, or both A and B. Next question. In case of refraction through a glass slab, lateral displacement depends on thickness of medium, refractive index of glass block, angle of incidence, or color or wavelength of light, or all of the above. Which means only 4 options आपको एग्जाम में रहेगा. Next question. In case of refraction through a glass block, if thickness of glass block increases, lateral displacement increases, decreases, does not depend on thickness of the block, or none of these. Next question. Lateral displacement is maximum for which color? Next question. Which color of light travels fastest in any medium except air? Next question. For the same angle of incidence, the angle of refraction in 3 different media P, Q and R are 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree respectively. In which medium is speed of light be minimum? Next question. If angle of incidence increases, lateral displacement increases, decreases, or remains constant? Next question, if refractive index of glass block increases, lateral displacement increases, decreases, remains constant, or none of these? Next question, if wavelength of light increases, speed of light increases, decreases, or remains constant? Next question, how is the refractive index of a medium related to its real depth and apparent depth? Next question, a glass slab is placed over a page in which word Vibgyor is printed with each letter in its corresponding color. Which color will be raised to the maximum? Next question, in real and apparent depth, factors which affect the shift are thickness of the denser medium, refractive index of the denser medium, both A and B, or none of these. Next question, in real and apparent depth, shift is more for which color? Next question, twinkling of stars is due to reflection of light, atmospheric refraction of light, scattering of light, or none of these. Next question, name the phenomenon for which the apparent position of a star appears slightly higher than its actual position. Atmospheric refraction of light, scattering of light, reflection of light, or none of these. Next question, ratio of velocities of light of wavelength 400 nanometer and 800 nanometer in vacuum. Next question, relation between angle of incidence, angle of emergence, angle of prism and angle of deviation for a ray of light passing through an equilateral prism. Next question. A ray of light incident at an angle of incidence I passes through an equilateral glass prism such that the refracted ray inside the prism is parallel to its base and emerges from the prism at an angle of emergence E. Which statement is correct? Angle of incidence equal to angle of emergence, or angle of deviation of light is minimum, or both A and B? Next question. In case of refraction through a prism, angle of deviation depends on angle of incidence, material of the prism or refractive index of prism, angle of the prism, or color or wavelength of the light used, or all of the above. Next question. In case of refraction through a prism, angle of deviation is maximum for which color? Next question. For total internal reflection, the angle of incidence in the denser medium should be less than the critical angle, greater than the critical angle, or equal to critical angle. Next question. Critical angle is the angle of incidence in the denser medium for which angle of refraction in rarer medium is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, or 90 degree. Next question. Total internal reflection occurs when a ray of light passes from Next question. Sign of critical angle where n equal to refractive index of medium. Next question. Higher the refractive index, higher is the value of critical angle, or lesser is the value of critical angle, or both A and B. Next question. For a given pair of media, critical angle is least for which color? Next question. If temperature increases, refractive index of medium increases, decreases, or remains constant? Next question. If wavelength of light decreases, refractive index of medium increases, decreases, remains constant, or none of these? Next question. A diamond glitters even in dim light because it is hard, it is of high density, because of total internal reflection, or none of these. Next question. Factors affecting the critical angle for the pair of media. Refractive index for a given pair of media, or wavelength of light, or both A and B. Next question. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. What is the value of refractive index of air with respect to glass? Next question. When a glass slab of thickness 3 cm is placed on a cross mark made on a white sheet, the cross mark appears to be raised by 1 cm. The refractive index of the glass is. Next question. Critical angle for a given medium is 30 degree. What is the refractive index of the medium? It is given that the rarer medium is air. Next question. If the wavelength of light decreases, angle of deviation produced by a prism decreases, increases, remains constant, or none of these. Next question. For a glass prism of refracting angle 60 degree, the angle of minimum deviation was found to be 40 degree. Find the angle of incidence as well as angle of refraction.